What happens to your body if you eat peanuts every day? Did you know that besides being tasty, peanuts are a great ally for health, preventing diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and even cancer? Yes, that's right. Peanuts are primarily composed of proteins, carbohydrates, fibers, minerals, vitamins, and mono and polyunsaturated fats. But did you know that its incorrect use can lead to health problems like high blood pressure? Today, you'll learn everything about this legume. Peanuts are universally beloved, securing a special place and unique recipes in kitchens around the world. They are celebrated in sweet, savory, and even sweet and sour versions. I bet you have a favorite version. Their versatility and global appeal make them a culinary hit in various dishes and snacks. However, as with many food groups, consuming peanuts comes with its pros and cons. It's natural to have questions such as, what are peanuts good for? How should they be consumed? Are there any contraindications or dangers? What are peanuts' main properties? That's exactly why in today's video, we'll unveil 7 amazing benefits of peanuts. We'll cover its health benefits, ideal consumption practices, and any potential contraindications you should be aware of. Make sure to stay with us until the end, because there's one benefit among these that is bound to surprise you. Benefit 1. Improves heart health. Let's start by discussing the fats in peanuts. While the term fats often carries a negative connotation, it's crucial to understand that consuming good fats, like the monounsaturated fats present in peanuts, is vital for your body. Thanks to the beneficial fats in peanuts, including potassium, omega-9, and phytosterols, this legume is a great ally in preventing cardiovascular diseases. Research published in the journal JAMA Internal Medicine reveals that consuming peanuts can lower the risks associated with cardiovascular diseases by 23% to 38% and reduce mortality rates from these diseases by 17% to 21%. Therefore, we can conclude that, when part of a healthy diet and complemented by physical exercise, peanuts can significantly protect against cardiovascular diseases. 2. Helps control blood sugar. Another advantage of the monounsaturated fats found in peanuts is their crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. This helps in preventing spikes that, over time, could contribute to the development of type 2 diabetes. For instance, the consumption of peanut butter has been linked to a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes, especially in women. This association was highlighted in a study by the Department of Nutrition at Harvard, underscoring the significant impact that peanuts can have on maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Research indicates that peanut-based products can serve as healthy substitutes for refined grains, red meats, and other foods linked to an increased risk of diabetes. Incorporating peanuts into your diet can thus contribute to better blood sugar management and diabetes prevention. Peanuts also offer benefits in controlling cholesterol. The specific nutrients found in this legume, such as monounsaturated fats and phytosterols, help prevent the accumulation of bad cholesterol LDL in the cells, thereby facilitating its elimination from the body. 3. Aids in weight control. Are you looking for a powerful ally in weight control and loss? Peanuts are worth considering due to their ability to help in the weight loss process. Their high concentration of fibers, proteins, and good fats controls appetite effectively, contributing to an accelerated metabolism and, consequently, a reduction in body fat. The benefits extend beyond weight loss. For those aiming to build muscle mass, peanuts are an excellent choice. The generous amount of proteins they provide not only aids in reducing body fat, but also supports muscle development, which is crucial for daily activities and overall health. Moreover, by focusing on increasing muscle mass, you're also effectively reducing unwanted fat mass, characterized by localized fat deposits. It's crucial to remember, though, that moderation is key when consuming peanuts due to their high-calorie content. Opting for peanuts in their natural form without added salt or sugar is the best approach to enjoying their benefits while minimizing the risk of excessive calorie intake. This strategy ensures you get the nutritional advantages of peanuts without compromising your health goals. 4. helps against the growth of cancer cells. Peanuts are a rich source of phytosterols, resveratrol, phytic acid, and folic acid, substances known for their anti-cancer properties. These components can significantly aid in the prevention of colon cancer, which ranks as the third most common cancer globally and among the deadliest. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2008 demonstrated a 33% reduction in tumor incidence among individuals who included peanuts in their daily diet. Further, a 2017 study revealed that consuming 56 grams of nuts, including peanuts, could reduce the recurrence of colon cancer by 42% and decrease mortality risk by 57%. Phytosterols in particular exhibit anti-proliferative effects, playing a crucial role in inhibiting the multiplication of cells, a fundamental process in tumor development. Number 5. Improves sexual function, erectile dysfunction, and semen quality. Incorporating peanuts into your diet can offer significant benefits for sexual health. While no single food can magically boost sexual desire, peanuts are distinguished by their high levels of vitamin E and the amino acid arginine. Arginine is key in promoting the production of nitric oxide, which in turn enhances blood flow to the genital organs, potentially increasing libido. This positions peanuts as a potent vasodilator food, offering benefits for both men and women in enhancing sexual function, including aspects like erectile dysfunction and semen quality. Furthermore, zinc, abundantly found in peanuts and other nuts, is an essential mineral for the production of testosterone and in enhancing the vitality and motility of sperm. Additionally, peanuts are rich in B-complex vitamins, particularly B3, which are crucial for hormonal regulation and stress management. These factors are vital for maintaining healthy sexual activity and can be adversely affected by stress if not well managed. Liking our video so far? Before we move on to the next benefit, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. 6. Helps fight aging. Concerns about signs of aging, such as wrinkles, discoloration, and decreased elasticity, are prominent in beauty discussions, aren't they? Peanuts excel in this regard by offering a significant amount of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is key to maintaining the skin's firmness and elasticity, helping it remain youthful and flexible by supporting tendons, skin, and cartilage. Moreover, as foods rich in vitamin E, peanuts also boast a high concentration of niacin. This nutrient aids in dilating blood vessels and enhancing circulation beneath the skin, further contributing to skin health. When consumed in the appropriate amounts, peanuts can offer a valuable contribution to combating aging signs and even fighting against conditions like acne, thanks to their beneficial properties. 7. Aids in brain health and mood. Peanuts are a true powerhouse for activating memory and promoting optimal brain function. Incorporating peanuts into your diet, especially with their skin, is a wise choice for those aiming to enhance cerebrovascular function, responsible for blood flow to the brain and cognitive function in both men and women. Notably, two nutrients found in peanuts, niacin and vitamin E, play significant roles in these benefits. Research has demonstrated that dietary niacin intake is linked with a slower rate of cognitive decline and a 70% reduced risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Vitamin E, as highlighted earlier, serves as a crucial antioxidant with numerous benefits, including the deceleration of cognitive decline and enhancement of memory during the brain's aging process. Not to mention, peanuts are instrumental in improving mood and reducing stress levels. This is largely due to their richness in tryptophan, a precursor that stimulates the production of serotonin, often referred to as the pleasure hormone. This stimulation promotes a heightened sense of well-being, showcasing peanuts' significant role in mental health. Potential risks and side effects of peanut consumption. Despite their many nutritional benefits, peanuts can pose risks due to allergies. The United States Department of Agriculture classifies the food among the 8 major causes of food allergies. Allergic reactions to peanuts can range from mild to severe, including symptoms such as choking, hives, angioedema, rhinitis, eczema, oral ulcers, nausea, itching, diarrhea, severe respiratory issues, cardiac arrest, and in extreme cases, death. Individuals known to be allergic to peanuts should strictly avoid them to prevent these potentially life-threatening reactions. For those who can safely enjoy peanuts without allergic reactions, selecting peanut-based products wisely is crucial, including choosing the legume in its most natural form for a healthier option. Therefore, reading food labels carefully is essential, paying close attention to the ingredients and nutritional information provided. This becomes even more crucial when it comes to industrialized versions, those with vibrant colors and attractive shells, as many of them are loaded with sodium. Excess of this ingredient significantly increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases, such as hypertension. Thus, being mindful of sodium content when choosing peanut products can help maintain heart health. You may be wondering about the ideal amount of peanuts to enjoy all their benefits. To take advantage of the benefits of peanuts, it's recommended to consume approximately 30 grams per day, equivalent to about 20 to 25 peanuts. However, this recommendation can vary based on factors such as age, sex, health status, and individual nutritional needs. While peanuts are indeed a nutritious option offering numerous health benefits, it's important to practice moderation. Excessive intake can lead to weight gain. Regarding consumption methods, the possibilities are extensive, offering various ways to integrate peanuts into your diet creatively and healthily. One of the most practical ways to enjoy peanuts is by consuming them raw or roasted. You can easily find roasted peanuts in markets or prepare them at home by placing them in a medium oven for about 10 minutes. For a delightful twist, consider making peanut butter, a creamy spread perfect for toast or bread during breakfast or afternoon snacks. Simply grind the peanuts in a blender until they reach a smooth consistency and store the peanut butter in a jar. Additionally, peanuts can pleasantly surprise as an ingredient in salads, cakes, milkshakes, or even to add a sweet and tangy touch to your culinary creations. The possibilities are vast, allowing you to incorporate this versatile food in innovative and delicious ways into your daily diet. Did you find this video informative and helpful? We'd love to hear from you. Which peanut benefit surprised you the most, and how you incorporate peanuts into your diet? Please share your thoughts in the comments